Oh, what is that? No. Hang on.
Just like walk out, I do.
Yeah, like, go. Let me do the intro. Hello, Poppets. Welcome back to my channel. Matt's just in there because I cannot do the intro. It keeps making me laugh. And if this is the first time you're seeing my face, hello and welcome to my channel. If you love anything to do with Harry Potter, normally, I know this isn't a Harry Potter video, but if you love Harry Potter, this is the place for you. Hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you. A massive thank you to these guys. These guys are my Patreons. They help me keep this channel running just that little bit more. If you'd like to know anything about Patreon, it's linked in the description of this video, along with my social medias. Go see what I'm up to on those. So in today's video, me and Matt are going to be trying Japanese snacks for the first time. There's quite a lot. It's such a small box, but there's loads in it. It's crazy. I'm quite excited. I'm quite intrigued. I can't read anything on the packaging. It's all in Japanese, so I ain't got a clue. But yeah, we're gonna get straight into this. Are you gonna behave? Mm-hmm. Yeah?
Yeah.
Right. I think, personally, we need to try these first. I'm a bit worried. They're really soft. They're like little sticks. But there's a fish there. I don't like fish, and I've got a feeling I can't tell you what this is because it's all in Japanese. Itchy. Mm-hmm. Right. Oh, they smell like fish food.
It does. What you put in the fish tank, that is them little flakes.
I don't know if I can try them because
You're right.
I'm gonna balk. I know I am. You like fish as well? Is it really fishy?
Not fish food. Don't do it.
What's that? It's fish food. If they give us a box of fish food? No. That's fish. Oh, we're rating out of 10. That's like minus 50.
Yeah, that's not right.
What is that? It's like, you know the little flakes that you put in fish tank for your fishes to eat? I'm not fish. That's disgusting. No.
No from me.
Minus 50. Right. Okay, so we've got a little bag here. Again, don't know what it is. Oh, it looks like crisps. Smells like fish! What's wrong? Okay, so it's like, I don't know, pork scratchings?
Yeah, or the biscuit things that you put in soup, what they're called.
Oh, I know what you mean.
Yeah, it's what you put in soup, isn't it, really?
Yeah, they're quite nice.
Plain though.
Yeah, but that's what I mean.
Compared to that, yeah.
Don't really taste of anything, but I'm trying another one. Do you try another?
No, thank you.
Okay. Do we give it a 3? No?
I just 1 or a 2.
1 or a 2.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. Well, this one looks promising. It says pizza, so
Pizza
and it
balls.
feels like It's got a picture of bowls. Pizza bowls. So yeah, it's like a little bag of crisps.
Mm.
They're nice. Okay.
Yeah, nice.
We've got a winner finally. What do you reckon out of 10?
It's good. 7 or 8, really. 7.
Yeah. You give it a 7.
Snack.
Snack. Look how much we've got left, guys. We've got loads. Right. I like that. It looks like a flump. We're going to try the flump. Let's see if they taste like our flumps. Yeah? You can have the smaller half. Yeah, it's just like a flump, that.
No special.
No. 6.
For average 5, yeah.
At the minute, I think the American snacks did better.
Yeah, there's
Okay.
that flavour.
Yeah, they're sour. Can you remember? It was really sour. Don't know what it is. It feels hard. What is that?
It's like a spring roll.
What is
Ooh, crispy.
Okay.
Mmm.
That's like pizza.
That's really nice.
What is it? Can anybody read Japanese? I don't know, that's really nice. Can't tell you what they are, guys, but what do you reckon? 8?
Yeah, it's a good 8.
That is really nice. Oh my god, we need to get the kids to try the fish. Right, we've got another one here that I'm assuming is the same as that one we just eaten, so we'll try this one. Don't know what flavour it is. Cheese. That smells like cheese. That's sickly cheese.
Yeah.
3. It's like a cheese. It's like really, really sickly cheese. No. But you keep eating it.
Yeah.
3. 3. I'm gonna put these aside and the kids can try them when they get home from school. Right. Pandora. You get Pandora. Okay, this is Pandoro brand butter cookie. Ooh, cookie.
Oh, it's a bit warm.
Oh, it says only 1. Oh, look! It's a panda. Don't focus on my face, focus on the biscuit. It's a little panda. Let's try it.
Oh, probably.
That's really, really nice. It is like a butter biscuit.
Yeah. Not shortbread or something.
Yeah, a bit like shortbread.
Thinner.
I'm gonna give that a 9.
There you are.
No, okay, I've just pulled something out.
It's like a wart.
I wish I could say what it says. Tena Sho Hoshi Shumi. Yep, one of them.
Prune.
Oh. Okay. It's like a raisin.
No, salty.
What is that? What is that? That's disgusting. Next, that's like -50, like the fish. This looks like a marshmallow. Says strawberry, I can read that. Oh, I like strawberry. Let me smell it. Smell it, it smells like milkshake. It smells like strawberry milkshake. Sorry. Look at the middle. Sorry, you can try it now.
That's nice.
It's like marshmallow and then it had like a gooey filling.
Very nice.
Very nice. I think a good 9 for that as well.
Yeah, 8, 9.
8, 9. Give it an 8.5, guys. 8.5, right. These look like hard candy, hard sweets. It's got a picture of an orange, so I'm assuming they're orange flavour. Let's have a look. The texture's really weird. What is that?
That just melts straight away.
It just melts. It's hard. It's hard, it tastes really, really nice, but the texture, I've never had anything like that before.
It's like putting chalk in your mouth.
Yeah, a bit like chalk, but it just literally
dissolves.
It just melts straight away. Sorry, I just showed you my mouth full of food. Well, it wasn't quite full, but that's really weird. Wow. Oh, wow. I do hoover. What do you reckon? I'm going to give them a 10. Because just because of the texture. I mean, the flavour's amazing, nice and orangey, but that texture is so cool. Oh, what is that? No. No, that is not squid. No.
Squid Octopus.
Oh. Is it octopus? No. No.
No, even the texture.
What do they eat? Like
It's wet.
Japanese date format, year, month, date. Okay. It is, it's really wet. Is it squid? I can't read it.
Really salty.
It's salty. Smells like vinegar. And it's gross. That's another -50.
Worst one yet.
Yeah, that is, and the fish was disgusting. That made me balk. Did you pick my bit off the floor? Thank you. No, that is a no. No from me. That doesn't look right.
No.
They look like pills. You can try one first.
Mm.
Do you want the red one, the orange one, or the green one?
Green for go.
You want green to go? You can try them first. They just pop out
Just
like
looks like a
pills.
Smartie.
Oh. What a way to package Smarties, eh? It's got a cute helicopter.
Yeah, it tastes the same.
Yeah, it doesn't taste the same as a Smartie, they're just smaller. Oh, that's a 9. I love Smarties. Smarties have the answer. Please tell me that's the right one. I don't even know.
If you like.
Is it Skittles have the answer?
No,
No,
Skittles
that's Taste the
the
Rainbow. I don't know what these are. Little clusters of something. Can't tell you what flavour they are, can't tell you what they're called. I can't get in the packet. Yeah, we'll get to that in a minute though. Right, I'm just going to take the first, it's blue. It looks like a little cluster. It's really weird. Mmm. It's just like Sweeties.
Yeah, no flavour though.
Well, there is. Try the blue one.
Oh,
Yeah, the green one doesn't.
no, mine didn't.
It's very slight. I'll give them a 6.
Yeah, 5, it's average.
Okay,
Not special.
note special. We'll give that one a 5 then. Right. We've got some more marshmallow things and they've got gooey centres. But I don't know what this one is. Is it chocolate? Or if it's not chocolate.
Like green tea.
It's chocolate.
Oh, you joke. Might be pleasantly surprised. Like Nutella though. No, no.
Oh no! No. No. Should we get this one out of the way with as well?
Yeah.
I don't know what. I thought it had banana, I don't know. I don't know.
What's that? Flan? Or whatever they call it.
I ain't got a clue, dog.
A wobbly thing.
The one? Jelly?
Yeah, no, not jelly.
It is.
Cheese.
No, it's not cheese, it's a baby bell. That's custard.
That is.
Custard marshmallow.
That's not bad though, to be fair.
No. We didn't rate the chocolate one. That's a 1.
Well, yeah, 1 or 2. This one's about a 6.
Yeah, that one was quite nice. Okay. We've got this little thing. I thought it was a snail, but it's not, it's a hand doing that. I can't get in it. Hang on. We're in. Oh, it's Coca-Cola. How'd you get these out of here? Okay, you can have a bigger bit this time. Yeah, that's just like a Coke bottle. 10. You're right, you can have them.
Absolutely.
Okay, there's only one. It looks like it's apple, whatever it is.
I've got a feeling.
It's sour. I think you should have this one then. Because you like sour. I don't think it's sour. And I don't think it's apple.
It's watermelon.
It is, isn't it?
Not sour.
No, it's just not nice.
I don't crunch that.
No, don't crunch it. It's got a poorly
It's
tooth.
a bit sour.
It's a bit sour.
But it's alright.
No?
Save it for later.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, I don't know what this is. Licorice. Oh no, that's not licorice. Is it gum? What is that? That tastes disgusting. Is that's bubble gum?
Mhm. Mine was a bit dark.
No, what?
I think it's supposed to be grape or something, but
That's not.
it's not.
It's like a gone off grape. Okay, this looks like a dog chew.
Pedigree.
So, right, hang on. This is their version of a sweet snack. And this is a version of their sweet snack. No. This looks like a dog chew. It looks like a dog. It smells chocolatey. It's like a wafer, like a chocolate wafer. Kind of reminds me of Cocoa Pops.
Yeah. That's what it is, I think.
That dog chew's nice. We don't know, it could be a dog chew. We can't read the packaging. Okay, we've got 2 more things in the box, guys. This is the first one. I think it's going to be the same as the other crisp ones.
Chive.
Sour cream and chive, maybe.
Onion. Not good. Yeah, it's not great, is it?
Oh, I'm broken. It's in date. It says 21st to the 11th, 2024. I was excited about that. That is disgusting. That is a -50. That's horrible.
I'll give it a 5.
Really?
Yeah.
No, it made me balk. Right, last one, guys. Please say it's going to be a good one. Oh, things are repeating on me now. I don't know. I've lost smell and taste.
Beef.
It's like a beefy. No, it's not. I don't know. Tomato.
Tastes like the tomato ketchup crisp.
Crisp, like a tomato ketchup crisp.
Well, you get them balls, don't you?
Okay. Yeah. That's a 9.
Yeah.
Okay. Japanese people. If any Japanese are watching, did they give us a box of rubbish snacks? Some of them were lovely. It's just probably because we're not used to stuff like this. But the worst ones is that. I don't even know what that is.
That's just wet crisp.
Oh.
It's like wet crisp, but vinegar.
Yeah, it's like someone's got a crisp and soaked it in vinegar. That's just, I can smell fish.
Sorry. I burped.
Yeah, there was some nice snacks in there. Do you have to agree?
Yeah, I think it's 50-50, bit of a mixed bag.
What was your favourite?
Pizza balls were nice.
Yeah, I liked the pizza balls.
And 1 or 2 of the marshmallows were nice.
Yeah, no, I agree with
But
you.
I think the panda biscuit
The
was
panda
probably
biscuit was the best.
spot
But it's
on.
because it's something that we're massively used to. Because like shortbread and stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
What was the worst out of all of it? You got to pick one.
Right. Okay, so these didn't have any taste. The texture was terrible, and then you get a slight aftertaste of
It's just fish.
yeah,
like, gone off
just horrible.
fish.
But this straight away, it's wrong. Wrong.
Wrong, so wrong.
So that is the worst for me.
I don't know, it's between that and the fish things. Fish flakes, fish food, for me. I think that That made me balk. Did that make me balk? I think it did. No, don't
Try
touch
it again.
it. No, I'm not touching those.
No.
We're never going to Japan. I know that. No, actually, it's somewhere I really want to visit. I just will starve for the week. But yeah, no. Have you tried any of these Japanese snacks? Is there any other snacks from a different country you'd like to see us do? Because when we did the American one, a few people did say, oh, can you do a Japanese one? So we delivered and we did a Japanese one. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We did Japanese snacks. I don't want to do Japanese snacks again.
No, once is enough.
But yeah, let us know if there's another country that you think we should try, because I definitely think we'll do another one. But not Japan. Japan. We're not doing Japanese sweets again. But yeah, please give this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed it, because it helps me more than you know, and I will speak to you all in my next video. Bye, Poppets.